everybody. Today's recipe is straight from Bengal and it is one of my favorite, Aam Bhapa Doi. Bhapa means steam. So I'm going to steam the doi and set the doi in a steamer. So for that, first thing I'm going to set a steamer. Boil some water and let this water come to a boil and steam is generated. For the bhapa doi, I need some yogurt, some condensed milk and some mango puree. First thing first, some yogurt will go. Any plain yogurt, and I am going to add some condensed milk to it. So condensed milk gives us the sweetness and it is also like a binder, like a binding agent. It will set the doi. Give this a good mix. Now I am going to add some mango pulp. This is Alphonso mango pulp. Mango pulp in it. Give this a good mix till everything is mixed well. I just love the color. Just see. And after this is made, I am going to pour it in this earthen pots or containers. And that's it to this recipe, nothing much. And that's it to this recipe. It is such a simple recipe, but when you taste it, you are going to tell me how amazing this recipe is. So that's it. So my steamer is set here. Let me see. Yes. So I'll just put this over here so that I don't want the water to touch the bottom of the pot. Yes. So now this is all set. I'm going to cover it and steam this for 5 to 8 minutes till it's completely set. Now about 5 minutes have passed. Let me check. Wow, it looks done. A lot of steam. Let me switch this off and take this out. Sure. Oh. This should go in your refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours till it's completely chilled, and after that you can garnish with some mangoes and have it.